I said, what she gonna do? But when you listen, yes, she a DJ. I'm say, I'm my daughter that. Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm a little bit tipsy too. I'm gonna come talk. So, I'm gonna come act like nobody else. I act like Suspense. So, I don't want to go down the side. I couldn't want to nice. If you don't come about me, I want you nice. Alright? So, if me I make nice, I want to make nice. And this ain't there. Alright, let me get back for a minute again. What's up now? Alright, so as you guys know, I want to introduce my EP to you guys. It's called Bad Gyal with Dignity. I'm gonna be a bad girl, of course. I'm gonna do what I like.
From Nationwide 90 FM. And I gotta say, happy Earth Strong. Happy, dare I say, Vagina Day? That's what I say. Yeah, happy Vagina Day to you, to the Queen. What a way to celebrate your birthday. It's your EP launch, and we also have to pick up Tracks and Records. And of course, Savage Entertainment for making it all happen today. Big up yourself as well, Flex. And my girl, Jenny, the Energizer, the original Energizer Bunny in the building. All right, so we're going to kick things off. We're going to ask the CEO, Mr. Michael Mincave of Savage Entertainment, to make it front and center with his greetings.
Happy birthday. How you doing? You look beautiful. I'm so happy tonight. I can't imagine that just in June we signed you to your contract and already we've come out with the first EP, which is fantastic. And the quality of the music speaks for itself. This young woman impressed me from day one when I met her. She's a hard worker, she's a good mother, and she's a good person. So I could not be prouder today to announce this EP and launch it with her. And you know, the future is so bright that I should be wearing shades right now. So happy birthday, Suspense, and thank you everybody for coming and everyone that's been involved in her career and helped her.
But thank you for investing in Jamaican talent. Thank you for caring, because it does take investment, and we thank you for being one of those investors. God bless you for loving our culture every time. Right now, we're looking for Emilia. Where's Emilia Lynch? Forward and a whole heap of talent in the place. Lux Savage Entertainment is in the building. And of course, Emilia coming forward. No man have to clap up Emilia. No man have to pick him up and bless him up. You don't know. Right about now in this space, Track to the Record is all suspense. So we're not keeping it in suspense.
We just have a big welcome to say happy birthday and congratulations.
Now, a very special person is in the building as well. Can we make some noise for the General Sanjay? Make some noise, Sanjay, front and center, please, and thanks.
Might I get me in trouble about no Suspense inside and out? First of all, we just want to say a big congratulations to Suspense. You know, as she alluded to, we know Suspense from Magnum Kings and Queens days. From them time there, you know, one of the things that struck us from Suspense very early was she was always an organized and determined person. Because them time there she had juggled her 9 to 5. As you know, she's a mommy, and she's still, you know what I mean, she don't get a trouble as a contestant. I love every week some of the contestants them get a bag of trouble. Suspense always comes, she's ready, she take her thing serious, she's determined from day one. So, you know what I mean, it's no surprise at the level of success that she's been able to achieve. And if you remember good, Ranking Pumpkin did out to take the whole of the season there, due to the hype where she didn't have at the time, you know what I mean, it took a serious talent like Suspense to really kind of overcome that and, you know what I mean, go home with the season that year. So, you know what I mean, as we say, congratulations, happy birthday, and we wish you nothing but success. Enough love.
Chinamana forward. Every time, look here, yo, come bless it up and love it up and all these things. You know the buckle for you? Run it.
I first may sing this song, I never want to sing, I don't want to DJ, you know. But to believe in ourselves, turn it up a little further. 17 rings, 17 pounds, you have to make it out on the old line. 17 years, 17 pounds. I'm a 17 rings, 17 pounds, you have to make it out on the old line. 17 years, 17 pounds.
Believe no man, 7 times fall and 7 times rise. I remember, you know, with every setback, there's a huge comeback.
Right about now, he might not have on a shirt.
As always.
gonna do that because you know how it is. You just have to stay right.
Should I say it with the tongue?
Yeah.
The tongue boss?
Hello.
Hello.
Kick on.
Hello.
Kick it over. Please welcome Raise the
Hold on now. Hold on now. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Suspense. Suspense. Out with me. Out with me. Fix it something. Out with me. Out with me. Out with me. Out with me. You got it, you know me one. Why make you one broke for me back? Why make you one broke for me back? Hey, got it. Why make you one broke for me back? Why make you one broke for me back? Oh, yeah. Why make you one broke for me back? Hey, got it. Why make you one broke for me back? Why make you one broke for me back? Alright then. See the styling, and the styling that she use to make this styling. Jenny, think you're talking about the Italian, I'm go on, Jenny. Yes, you got me. So can you put me in a trouble? Well, must not be on stone cold. When me say Jenny, make you cool, so when make you one block for me back. When make you one. How me not here? Well, now I'm not too concerned. I feel like I'm going to sing it for people. But, I don't know. Play it for me, son. What do you know what's up in the head? Suspense cheap on the head. Outside when the doctor checks suspense, they say she don't have no head. What do you know what's she evil? What do you know what's around with people? And if one of them out and them go violate, I one of them have a get big. I just boom, boom, boom. Boom it on the head. Boom, boom, boom. Put your head in the air, can't violate. Boom, 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 boom. Over the wall, over the wall. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. What do you know what's such a vicious? Hey, hey. I like him myself when I DJ the kid. Ready now? Boom, boom, boom. Put it in there. Boom, boom, boom. Put it in the air, and boom, 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 boom. Over the wall, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. What do you know what's so crazy? But people like the drama, whole of them, but not like Jeffrey Dahmer. You love soca, you love to find your ways up. Every man to a girl, every girl to a man, and make we bust the place. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Put that in the air, can you get boom, 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 boom. Over the wall, over the wall. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah.
Everybody know this queen. Make some noise for Bamboo.
You understand? But the riding song around 15 years ago or 16, and the song Mother of TikTok, you know it. So I'm telling you this music don't even nobody yard. Work with the heart till they get to the warm. When you own till they own, believe in yourself. Stand up and get up and go here. Sometimes you work and you feel like saying, nah, but I tell you this. Nobody don't know nobody future.
Suspense. Come and say suspense. Don't just sit knock on your money. Some young can't do that, then we she cause she could have been got too much me. And every man knows she fit it up. Hey, hot girl when the place her to give. Look at me, son of man down street. It turned like just a 1 million. Over the bullseye, I want man I ain't car. He go the money. So the boys say when they step out, baby. He goody. What am I in there? Yo, me ride it, me ride it. Sit up, every man that's having me ride it. So straight to the person.
I am very, very, very happy. Yesterday I was not feeling this, but when I came up and I saw you guys, it was a wow for me. Like Champion, I'm not telling no lie. So of course, this song was recorded about 3 years ago by B Mafia and Tall King. It's called Independence. So I'm going to jump it back because you don't know the song bad. So I wrote it up on the EP. Independent ladies, let's go. Independent girl like me, yeah. Sexually independent. I am pussy, so them no can't teach. So them authority, and you are leading. From my mind out, getting up first place. Get a bitch for me, you're independent. I am pussy, so them no can't teach. So them authority, and you are leading. From my mind out, getting up first place. Get a bitch for me. If we want to drink, we can buy This one can't stand me. No, I can't stand me. You want to call me Monica? I swear you put up with me, Monica. Tell them about your no social Galactica. In a real life, no one can come here. Just one beside the head. So I said, come in the public head. You want to do nothing now. Now it's them to wait just to the money. Hey, boy. The money is the job and I can't want to get it on tonight. That's it, boy. And I need. Even the next song, we're introducing the little Mike is giving me. Yeah. Hold on. So this song was recorded when I came back from Canada. I was rotated to records for a minute, and I came back and, of course, no breaks records, Axiom Madness, Intense for the Selukino, and all of your brothers so, and I was playing a song for Armenia. And of course, this song come on not to like. That's not a bad song. I don't like it more than so nice. You ready? So literally, it was the kind of voice song. You wait, come for your phone. I don't want to see with me now. Now I can't have a phone that means you own me. You don't own me. I'm telling you, like crazy. Watch out. I'm about it. And I'm like, What is next? Hold on. Sanjay, you want to see again? You see this song? We from Magnum days. We don't know stars attack gyal. We run things. And I like that to run. What are they? Look, we don't depend on people. And we don't try to be more than people. I can't look at all. I know why I can't to be heard. And you must know what I know. And you run things. So what was I being so? And you run things. Just to get a right now. And you run things. So be able to say and you run things. And when I was out, and you run things. What's when I'm right now? And you
Going to church. So when she tell me that she's going to Magnum Kings and Queens, I say, what she going to do? But when me listen, yes, she a DJ. And I say, I'm my daughter that. Yeah. I'm a love her song. I mean, I think, you're mad.
I usually come from Patrol.